Bike service. Use their bicycle frequently or ride long distances in all weather conditions. Parts not included. All bike's parts have been disassembled, cleaned, thoroughly examined, checked for damage. Check all bolts, handlebar and stem assembly. A full bike service includes bottom bracket and crank check, thorough cleaning and degreasing, drivetrain and gear adjustment, brake inspection and adjustment, safety check for frame and brakes, wheel and tire check, test ride for smooth operation, hub and bearing inspection, frame and fork alignment, cable and housing inspection. How many km after bike service? Bike services are scheduled every 2,000 kilometers once, except for the first free service, carried out at 500 kilometers. But even after the end of free services, servicing your bike every 2 months or 2,000 kilometers is always advisable.